Welcome. In this video, we will discuss the setup time, hold time, and propagation delay for VLSI circuit designing. So we have considered a D flip-flop, and this flip-flop is triggered by the positive going edge of the clock. So it is a positive edge triggered D flip-flop. So this waveform is of clock signal. This waveform is your D input, and this will be your output signal Q. So we have considered the clock signal, and we have considered that this D flip-flop is triggered by positive going edge of the clock. So this is the positive edge of the clock. Now the setup time is the minimum amount of time before the application of the positive edge of the clock, during which the data must be stable. So this is the positive going edge of the clock. It is appearing at this time t. So this data must be stable during this setup time. So as you can see, this data is not changing during this setup time. So if the data is so during the setup time, the data must be stable for it to be correctly sampled. If the data changes during this time, then it will not be correctly sampled for the output. So the data, your data must remain stable during the setup time, or your input must remain stable during the setup time. So the setup time is before the application of the clock edge. Okay, the hold time is defined for the time after the clock edge. So hold time is defined as the minimum amount of time after the arrival of the clock edge, during which the data must be stable for it to be correctly sampled. Okay, so the hold time, now the clock edge has arrived, so the hold time is the minimum amount of time during which your data must be stable. So again, the data must not change during the hold time as well, then only it will be correctly sampled at the output. So overall what we can say is that setup time and hold time, if the sum of the setup time and the hold time is the total amount of time during which your data must remain stable, otherwise the data will not be sampled correctly at the output. Okay, now if the data is stable during the setup time and the hold time, then your output will change state. So propagation delay is defined as the minimum amount of time it takes for the output to change its state. So if the setup time and hold time conditions are met, then the output will change state, but the change in output will occur after a propagation delay of TCQ. So this TCQ is called as the propagation delay. Okay. So again we can see that your data must remain stable during the setup time and the hold time. So the data was 1, so again your output was output changed to 1 after the clock pulse, after this propagation delay time. So these are the timing considerations we have to consider for VLSI circuit designing. So the data must remain stable during the setup time and the hold time. So this is a very important concept for VLSI interview preparation. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. You can also share your comment and feedback in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck.